Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today it's Packmas. Well, it's Christmas Eve anyway, so. Because we have 4 evolutions packed right here. So, let's get into it. So, I just want to say before we start this, Merry Christmas, everybody. I should have opened this before, but I didn't. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the first one of the day. Of Packmas, I don't know anymore. Okay, I don't know. I'm thinking. It's okay, but I'm not gonna read the names. I'm just gonna say if they're good. Good, I guess. Well, they're all good because they look cool. Oh, did I just? It was a graph. Okay, and what's this? An electrode with eyebrows missing. Like, this is supposed to be eyebrows. It looks like I should have eyebrows, but I don't. Wait. Okay, that's one. We should be opening up 4 today. Where did I even put that? Yeah, now I have no idea where I put it. Wait, okay. 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 So we have a Voltorb to start off. Yes. Not yes, okay. But Voltorb, we don't want to talk. That guys, I'm just guessing now. Wow. I have the actual 1995 version of this card. So far, we've gotten nothing good. So, yeah, I'm talking loudly because I'm trying not to let you hear the loud-speaking people. Because they're speaking pretty loud, so I have to speak louder than them. So, this room was like soundproof or something. Wait, with that? Okay. I don't know about that. Look at that guy. Hold on, we had a Latita, a Hollow Charmander, and triggered. Okay. Okay then. Wow. Okay. Error does not compute. I'm gonna open one off camera. So yeah. I'm gonna yell now because they're talking very loudly. No. Oh my gosh, they're talking loudly. So I'm gonna have to commentate very loudly. Okay, Diglett and the Beedrill. I've officially got some horrible booster packs. So that's the end of the video now, guys, and see you next time.